every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. is right here on Namaste Radio 1050 a.m. This part of the show here is brought to you by Boss and Hughes for masks, disposable medical masks, custom masks, face shields, and more. Please call Gaurav at 832-563-7012. That's 832-563-7012. Again, they have a limited supply of safety products at Boss and Hughes. KN95 masks, disposable 3-layer masks, disposable medical masks. 832-563-7012. Let's get into the next song here, right here on Namaste Radio, from another one from the movie Kapoor and Sons. It's Kar Gayi Chul right here on top Bollywood Summer Anthems, right here on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked here.
ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल देख तेरा रंग सावला हुआ बावला लड़की नहीं है तू है गरम मामला बोलती बंद मेरी कहूँ क्या भला कुछ भी कहा नहीं जाए चन्नच तो दिल्ली हिले है लंदन जैसे रवीना टंडन नाच तो दिल्ली हिले है लंदन मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन आग लगाने आई है बंटन गोली चल गई धाए नगरे विलाती ईगो में रहती नगरे विलाती ईगो में रहती टशन दिखाती फुल अरे लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल
चम कर दे हैगे हाय ब्रांड वे एयरप्लेन मुंडिया दे मेरे हील पे होंदे लैंड वे सैंडल मेरे चम चम कर दे हैगे हाय ब्रांड वे एयरप्लेन मुंडिया दे मेरे हील पे होंदे लैंड वे सारी कुड़ियां है देसी चिड़ियां सारी कुड़ियां देसी चिड़ियां क्लब की मैं बुलबुल मैं लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल मैं लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल
लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल कैसे कमर तू झुलाए फिजिक्स समझ नहीं आए लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल कैसे कमर तू झुलाए समझ नहीं आए लड़की ब्यूटीफुल तेरा रंग सावला हुआ बावला लड़की नहीं है तू है गरम मामला बोलती बंद मेरी कहूँ क्या भला लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर चन्नच तो दिल्ली हिले है लंदन मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन आग लगाने आई है बंटन लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चोरी बचा लो मुझे संभालो अरे इसे उठा लो लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चोरी
Kar Gayi Chul from the movie Kapoor and Sons right here, Namaste Radio 1050 AM. After 2 o'clock, we will be live here with Bunch of Guns Chill right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM. Don't forget, you can also listen to us 24/7 on NamasteRadioHouston.com. Do subscribe to all of our social media, YouTube at Namaste Radio Houston, Instagram at Namaste Radio 3, and on Facebook, Namaste Radio. And yes, of course, after the show, the music continues 24 hours, so don't forget. You can also listen to it on the website or on our apps. Let's now get into the final song here before we get into the top of the hour break from the movie War with Hrithik Roshan and also Tiger Shroff right here. That is Gungru right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM.
क्यों लम्हे
सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात तू ऐसे जोर से नाची आज के घुंघरू टूट गए के घुंघरू टूट गए
छोड़ के सारे शर्म और लाज मैं ऐसे जोर से नाची आज के घुंघरू टूट गए के घुंघरू टूट क्या करने उम्रों के वादे ये जो रहते रहने दे आधे दो बार नहीं एक बार सही एक रात की कर ले तू यारी सुबह तक भाग तेरा मैं ऐसे जोर से नाची आज के घुंघरू टूट गए के घुंघरू टूट
Those were the top summer Bollywood anthems right here. Thank you so much for all of you that are tuning in right here. And don't forget, we are live here till 5 o'clock this afternoon. We're going to get into Bollywood Gupshup, Bollywood birthdays, local world news, and some more interviews, and lots of more great things. So keep it locked here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM. Studio line 713-984-1013. Like us on all of our social media. Do subscribe to all the channels. And don't forget, even after the show is over today, music continues 24/7 right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM, NamasteRadioHouston.com, on our iPhone, Android apps, and all. When you listen to it on Amazon Alexa, just say, "Hey Alexa, play Namaste Radio Live." Let's get into our top of the hour break right here on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked here. Don't go anywhere.
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian radio. Let's go! Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits, local news and events happening around town, giveaways, and lots of musti. This is Namaste Radio. Every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 1050 a.m. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at NamasteRadioHouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
AM 1050 KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy invites you to celebrate their 2-year anniversary with double the deals. Come and get a facial done and bring a friend along to get hers done for free.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
The Indian Consulate General and Houston's leading organizations invite you to a virtual global celebration of International Day of Yoga, led by none other than Yoga Rishi Baba Ramdev Live. View basic asanas and techniques with yoga studios around the world. An exhilarating awakening awaits you on Sunday, June 21st, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. International Day of Yoga, live on Facebook.com/India in Houston or India House. Details at yogadayofTexas.org.
Allings would like to thank you for your support during the COVID-19 lockdown and express our highest gratitude to medical professionals and first responders who fight on to keep us safe. Allings is now open for safe distance dining with tables set at least 6 feet apart, following all guidelines and taking precautions for the safety of our guests and staff. See you at Allings for a delightful dining experience. Halal menu available. Visit us at arlingschinese.com.
Tired of those law firms you can never reach? Try Donley, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm.
Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm in Houston is dedicated to providing quality immigration advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. They will also help with deportations, citizenship and naturalization filings, also personal injuries and car accident. They are committed to their clients with prompt turnaround time. Over 30 years of immigration experience. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm. 832-646-8448.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie, Houston's best restaurant for traditional Indian cuisine. Tandoori specials, poultry, vegetarian items, lamb, seafood, salads, desserts, and much more.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie is now open for dine-in with distancing measures for everyone to stay safe. Lunch buffet hours Monday through Friday 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Saturday and Sunday 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Dinner hours 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week. Delivery and to-go options still available. Call Naren's Bombay Brasserie at 713-622-2005. That's 713-622-2005. Located at 3005 West Loop South. Like Naren's Bombay Brasserie on Facebook. What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
You're listening to Namaste Radio.
Powered by E2 Power.
Welcome back to Namaste Radio right here on 1050 AM. NamasteRadioHouston.com. All the apps, Amazon Alexa products, and on our Namaste Radio Facebook Live. The show just got even better now because now I'm here with Aap Sabki favorite Vanchika and Houston ka hero Sushil. Hello
नमस्ते,
guys.
नमस्ते, नमस्ते संदीप कुमार.
संदीप कुमार.
कैसे हैं आप?
हम ठीक हैं, बहुत ठीक हैं.
नमस्ते संदीप, नमस्ते सुशील, कैसे हैं आप दोनों?
हम दोनों ठीक है.
She
नमस्ते.
left out there. She's like, by the way,
नमस्ते
I'm
वंशिका
here.
कुमारी, आप कैसे
By the way,
हैं?
I'm here too.
नमस्ते Houston, what's up?
Yes, namaste to everyone and a big hello to everyone listening out there, जो हमें देख रहे हैं. And yes, सबसे पहले चारू, हाँ भाई, नमस्ते चारू.
नमस्ते.
Charu is like always me.
Yeah.
नमस्ते चरीटा.
Hello, Charu. Hello.
Hello. So she just joined our new jingle में क्या बोलते हैं? The
Yeah.
Jingle Queen. She's
The
become the
Jingle
new
Queen.
Jingle Queen
Yep.
of Namaste
अरे
Radio.
That's gonna be
मम्मा,
coming.
अरे पापा.
Which we will be playing very soon, right Sandeep?
Yes, we will.
जी हाँ.
Definitely.
But that was a good one that you made. You picked up
Thank
the
you.
song. I'm so proud that तुम्हें समझ नहीं आया wordings, but
words
you
sounded
picked
so
up
cool.
the you picked up the right place for that.
I love the. What does it mean, by the way? Did she tell you?
अरे मम्मी, अरे पापा, मेरी शादी करवा दो.
No, he's calling her a
He's trying to
pretty
hint
doll.
something right here.
He's calling her a pretty doll. That's why they're dancing like a doll.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
Now I cannot say the name of the movie. I forgot.
ये वाडू.
No, it was not Yevadu. We are talking about Telugu movie.
I did see
some
Yevadu
other-
1. There's a second one too, isn't there? I don't know. We'll ask her. Is there?
we need to ask her for sure. Yes.
Yeah.
लेकिन अगेन सबको नमस्ते और आप सब सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो. हम आते हैं हर संडे 1 से 5 बजे. संदीप 1 से 2 बजे बहुत ही धमाल करते हैं यहाँ पे. मस्ती एंड गुड सॉन्ग्स, गुड कलेक्शन.
Thank you so
एंड
much.
हम अब मैं और सुशील 2 बजे ज्वाइन किया है.
Yep.
तो सबसे पहले सबको बता दें कि क्लासी दीवा सैलून एंड स्पा में चल रही है उनकी 2nd ईयर एनिवर्सरी. कांग्रेचुलेशंस. यस, वो लोग अपनी एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, चाहे कोविड हो कुछ भी हो. सेलिब्रेशंस कभी रुकने नहीं चाहिए. तो वो कर रहे हैं अपनी 2nd ईयर एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट, और उसके लिए वो लेकर आए हैं आप सबके लिए अमेजिंग डील्स एंड डबल द डील्स एक्चुअली. तो अगर आप एक जना जाता है फेशियल कराने, तो आपकी फ्रेंड साथ में जो जाती है, यू कैन ऑलवेज गिव देम अ फ्री फेशियल. सो गो देयर. दे आर लोकेटेड इन KT 937 साउथ मेसन रोड. रूबी से कॉल कर सकते हैं या आप टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं अपॉइंटमेंट्स लेने के लिए. उनका नंबर है 856-693-8970. Tuesday to Friday 2 to 7 p.m. Saturday to Sunday 12 to 6 p.m. और ज़्यादा डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो देम ऑन Facebook and Instagram.
That's right.
Oh, and Charu gave me the name of the Telugu movie from जहाँ से वो गाना है. Allah Vaikantapuram Lu. Okay, sorry. I think I just ruined it, but I tried my best, Charu.
Yeah.
Allah Vaikantapuram Lu, and the hero is very famous Allu Arjun. And heroine है आपकी पूजा हेगड़े. You know the one? Yeah, she comes in Bollywood also.
Houseful 4.
Yeah, and
Right,
Allu Arjun is the nephew of Chiranjeevi.
That's right. Yes.
जिसका बेटा रामचरण.
He's one of the most popular ones, right?
He is like
in Telugu?
legend, yes,
Oh,
for Tollywood.
That's
तो बहुत ज़्यादा हमने डिटेल्स दी हैं टॉलीवुड के बारे में. आगे बढ़ते हैं कुछ बॉलीवुड की तरफ.
That's right.
लेकिन
And
उससे
now-
पहले एक गाना हो जाए.
Okay.
और फिर आके आप सबको बताएंगे कुछ ताज़ी बॉलीवुड की खबरें इस सेक्शन में. सुनते रहिए.
दो लफ्ज की है बात एक ही है, क्यों दरमिया फिर रुकी कह भी ना पाए रह भी ना पाए, क्यों बेवजह है ये बेबसी. तुम में हम है, हम में तुम हो, तुमसे हम है, हमसे तुम हो, किस्मतों से मिलते हैं दो दिल यहाँ. हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में. खुशनसीब है हम जिनको है मिली ये बहार जिंदगी में, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में.
तुमने अक्षय कुमार का गाना एक रीजन के लिए बजाया.
Yeah, that's right. Because he's actually making some history right now.
He's not only making history, he's making a lot of money.
Oh, that we knew.
So yes,
Yeah,
Akshay Kumar, beats, and this is as per Forbes. So Akshay Kumar beats Jennifer Lopez and Rihanna to be on Forbes list of world's 100 highest paid celebrities.
Wow.
ऐसा क्या कर रहा है ये?
मूवीज ही कर रहा है और कुछ
Movie
तो नहीं
after
कर रहा
movie
है.
after
I don't
movie
think he's doing anything else,
movie
right?
after movie after movie.
और कोई प्रोफेशन में है वो?
And in fact, I think his future movie shooting is the only one that has resumed. अभी कोविड के बीच दौरान.
Maybe.
He did an
Yeah.
ad film for COVID. I think we saw it. You saw it. I was seeing you watching it. Mask पहन के वगैरह. But yes, generally movies की shooting चालू हो गई है.
और आप जानना चाहेंगे वो कितने पैसे कमाए उन्होंने?
100 मिलियन कमाए होंगे.
नहीं, इतने नहीं, थोड़े कम.
50 million तो
50
कमाए होंगे.
million,
90?
yes.
Oh,
I
50.
just took
Just
a guess.
50 million, Sandeep.
Just 50 million.
Just
That's
50
it.
million.
बस.
Come on, you can do better, Akshay. But no, we are very
Probably
proud
it is.
that अभी Indian
Yeah.
Bollywood, I mean, Indian industry, film industry का नाम और actors का नाम comes on, with the Hollywood people. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था.
Right.
But I guess in the last 10 years, things have changed.
Things have changed, definitely. Good
जी
point.
हाँ.
Wow. So only 50 million is
Only 50
Yeah,
million.
okay.
But hopefully by next year it should increase. लेकिन उसके साथ जहाँ कुछ अच्छी अच्छी खबरें हैं, लोग हैं, बट ये एक सेलिब्रिटी है और whatever, she kind of changed the scene of Indian TV serials,
Yeah.
if I may say so. And then they got into production also. I am talking about Balaji Productions. And I am talking about the most controversial Ekta Kapoor.
Ekta Kapoor. Oh, yeah.
ये हर बार किसी ना किसी खबरों में आती जाती रहती हैं. This time it's for an inappropriate scene insulting Indian Army in her web series.
Wow.
The name of the web series itself, I didn't understand कहाँ Indian Army नाम से जुड़ती है. The name of the web series is Triple X.
Triple X.
Triple X.
Oh,
Triple
Triple
X.
X.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So उसमें कुछ कैसे बोलते हैं, अश्लील सीन, right? That's how you say it?
Adult scenes.
Okay. उसके वजह से बहुत बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई है, because especially it was about Indian Army. So लेकिन she went ahead and removed the scene from the web series now. So if any of y'all go and see the web series, वो scene नहीं होगा. So which is a good thing.
So
But,
she immediately said, okay, I'm taking it out.
Yeah, but then she again came out and said that, oh, people would like to see, worse things, but जब मैं कुछ करती हूँ तो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ controversy हो जाती है.
It's always, I feel like every other movie has some, or series has something,
Yes.
or something of it that people need to start, right?
Absolutely. She said this is all cyberbullying, and she came out with all of that, but then she did take it off.
Well, that's good. That's
Yes,
good. She
क्योंकि
did.
गुड़गांव जो गुरुग्राम है वहाँ पे उनके पुलिस कंप्लेन सब हुई थी, तो because of that.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. So, how's our Papu doing today? Where's he at? What's his status?
He's good and he's excellent. He's enjoying the beautiful summer weather. He's in Galveston. He's having a lot of fun.
Oh, is he?
Actually, in fact, last night he went to a black tie party.
Really?
Yeah, he received an invitation.
Black tie party. Okay.
He received an invitation to a party which said black tie only.
Black tie only.
Yes, so when he went to the party, he was surprised to find that the other invitees were wearing trousers and shirts as well.
When Sushil said black ties only and
I get it
Pappu,
now. I get
already
it.
सबको
I get it.
realize हो जाना चाहिए कि कहाँ जा रहा है ये joke.
Yeah, that's right.
तो हाँ, तो he was there. Galveston में थी वो black tie only event.
Black tie only.
कहीं आप भी वहीं नहीं थे?
Huh?
आप कहीं वहीं तो नहीं थे?
I was in Midtown this week.
हाँ, सुबह 2 बजे तक आपके टेक्स्ट आ रहे थे इसलिए.
ये बेचारे कल
2 a.m.
रात
in the
को
morning.
काम कर रहा था.
Oh,
हाँ, वही.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
2 a.m. in the morning आपके टेक्स्ट आ रहे थे.
Friday was in Midtown. Yesterday I was in North and in the Midtown again.
अच्छा.
Yeah, just
म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूस
Safe though.
करते रहते हो सुबह
Safe.
के 2 बजे तक.
safe. Yeah, that's I think that's where most of my creative mind is, in the middle of the night.
एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट. और यही नहीं, आप एक और जगह भी गए थे बिफोर योर क्रिएटिव माइंड किक्ड इन, और वो था भूख लगती है आपको तब कहाँ जाते हैं?
Oh, I go to either Narins, I go to Alings, Maharaja Bhog, or I go to Nirman.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So since you were on that side of town, you went to Narins, I'm pretty sure.
Narins, yeah, exactly.
That's right. ये नरिन्स जाके वहाँ खा के आए थे कल रात को, तब इनका जाके क्रिएटिव माइंड किक इन हुआ. अगर आपको भी क्रिएटिव माइंड तो सबका होता है, बट आपको भी भूख लगी है और कुछ गरम गरम नॉर्थ इंडियन खाना खाने का मन कर रहा है, there is no other better place than Narine's Bombay Brasserie in the Galleria area itself. Now they're even open for a dine-in. इतना ही नहीं, if you don't want to dine in, that's fine. Pickup or delivery is also available through Grubhub, DoorDash, or Favor as well. You can even call them directly and they'll come and deliver to you at no charge within a given mile radius. So give them a call at 713-622-2005. अगर आपको उनका मेन्यू चेक करना है, वैसे तो they are very well known for their food in the Houston area itself. बहुत सालों से हैं वो. अगर आपको फिर भी जानना है तो just go to their website online, or you can even follow them on Facebook and Instagram at thebombaybrasserie.com.
That's right. और अगर आप हमारा Facebook लाइव देख रहे हैं या आप हमें Facebook लाइव के थ्रू सुन रहे हैं, तो आप देख सकते हैं कितनी टेस्टी डिशेस हैं, और मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है देख के.
That's why I decided not to name the dishes.
नहीं, बट यस, नरिन्स का कोई मतलब मुकाबला नहीं है, तो ज़रूर जाइए नरिन्स बॉम्बे ब्रेसरी. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं संदीप एक गाने के साथ और फिर वापस आते हैं और बॉलीवुड गपशप लेके आपके लिए।
सिंघम।
जी हाँ, एंड अभी अभी मैसेज आया है कि एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट से जन हमें सुन रहे हैं और मैं बात कर रही हूँ सईद पठान जी की, जिनसे हम थोड़ी देर में बातचीत करेंगे IMAGH के बारे में। थैंक यू सईद जी फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन एंड थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द सपोर्ट। वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू टॉकिंग टू यू। मैं और संदीप बहुत उतावले हैं आप लोगों से बात करने के लिए एट 3:15। सो और अभी क्या बॉलीवुड की खबरें हैं संदीप?
Now, the reason why we got into this song here, which was from the movie Singham, and when you say Singham, of course, it's Mr. Ajay Devgan. Yes, that's right. And Ajay Devgan now has donated oxygen cylinders and ventilators to Dharavi Hospital.
Wow.
धारावी में हॉस्पिटल भी है?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So
oh yeah, I can see that on Facebook Live.
Yeah. So he has donated ventilators, and that's very big. That's very big on him. You know, I mean, a lot of these actors are trying to do what they can to help out during this situation, right? So.
And I think मुंबई एरिया में मैंने सुना है धारावी में सबसे ज़्यादा कोविड के पेशेंट्स हैं. So that's a great cause.
Because धारावी एशिया का सबसे बड़ा स्लम है. जितनी भी they have उनकी खुद की अंदर इंडस्ट्री चलती है.
Oh yes, I've seen documentaries on that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like a lot of leather bags and all of that, you know, like all these manufacturing, I mean anything, उधर बहुत होता है. And इस बहाने वहाँ के मजदूरों को, वहाँ के लोगों को काम भी मिलता है.
Counterfeit.
Yeah.
Stuff. पुलिस भी जाने से डरती है.
You never know, Louis Vuitton might be getting produced in a Dharavi, I mean, home somewhere.
Hopefully, made in China अगर बंद हो जाएगा तो धारावी से प्रोडक्शन चालू होगी.
Well, I hope things ऐसे आगे बढ़ें, but positively, और सब लोग सही चीज़ें सही जगह बेचें.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, this makes me respect him even more. He's a great actor, but a great human being, though.
Absolutely. And just yesterday, I guess I was discussing this. One of the, finest, like in his age, finest looking. I think काफी वर्कआउट करते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, योगा करते हैं, अपने आप को फिट रखते हैं.
Is he around the same age as like Akshay and Shah Rukh and all these guys? Is he?
I think so.
Okay.
And जहाँ योगा की बात आती है, तो एक योगा करने के बहुत सारे फायदे होते हैं ह्यूमन के अंदर, राइट? कोई भी जब योगा करता है तो आपके हेल्थ में, आपके नॉर्मल एवरीडे लिविंग में बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. तो इसीलिए जून 21 इंटरनेशनल योगा डे है. एंड बड़े ही धूमधाम से हर साल की तरह इस साल वापस से इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा मनाया जाएगा. मैंने खुद ये इवेंट अटेंड किया इन द पास्ट. कभी लेवी पार्क में होता है, कभी मिड टाउन पार्क में होता है. इफ यू रिमेंबर लास्ट ईयर वी वर देयर इन मिड टाउन पार्क.
Yes, we were. Wow,
so
a year ago.
yes, it's already been a year. लेकिन बिकॉज कोविड-19 के वजह से, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के वजह से इस बार पार्क में नहीं मनाया जा रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी मनाया जा रहा है. सो द काउंसिल जनरल ऑफ इंडिया ह्यूस्टन इन कोलैबोरेशन विद सेवरल सपोर्टिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल बी सेलिब्रेटिंग द 6th इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा वाया वर्चुअल सेशंस. एंड वर्चुअल सेशन में खुद बाबा रामदेव आएंगे और योगा करवाएंगे और खुद योगा करेंगे एंड एवरीबडी विल बी फॉलोइंग हिम थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. द प्रोग्राम विल बी स्ट्रीम्ड लाइव through the Consulate General of India Houston Facebook page as well as India House Houston Facebook page. So June 21st सुबह 10 बजे से 12 बजे तक ये प्रोग्राम है. संडे का दिन है तो आप ज़रूर, सब लोग घर पे होंगे तो ज़रूर लॉग इन कीजिएगा. जैसे मैंने बताया, बाबा रामदेव जी खुद विल बी जॉइनिंग द सेशन लाइव फ्रॉम इंडिया फॉर 1 hour. एंड फॉर ऑल फर्दर डिटेल्स, जो भी अगर आपको पता करना है कैसे लॉगिन करना है, और वैसे तो हमने बताया है कि फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू यू कैन फॉलो इट. यू कैन विजिट द वेबसाइट एट yogadayofTexas.org. एंड इस साल का थीम है योगा एट होम एंड योगा विद फैमिली.
Get into a song here, and then right after that, we'll come back with some more Bollywood Gupshup right here on Namaste Radio. Keep it locked in.
दिल चरखे की एक तो डोरी, दिल चरखे की एक तो डोरी, सूफी इसका रंग है, इसमें जो तेरा ख्वाब पिरोया, इसमें जो तेरा ख्वाब पिरोया, नींदे बनी पतंग, दिल भरता नहीं, आंखें रजती नहीं, दिल भरता नहीं, आंखें रजती नहीं, चाहे कितना भी देखती जाऊं, वक्त जाए मैं रोक न पाऊं, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा सोनिया, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा ज़ालिमा, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा.
हाय दिन तेरे बिन अब जी न पाए, दिन तेरे बिन अब जी न पाए, सांस न लेती रात, इश्क करे मेरे होठों से, इश्क करे मेरे होठों से, बस एक तेरी बात, तेरी दूरी ना सहूं, दूर खुद से रहूं, तेरी दूरी ना सहूं, दूर खुद से रहूं, तेरे पहलू में ही रह जाऊं, तू ही समझ ले जो मैं चाहूं, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा सोनिया, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा,
तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा ज़ालिमा, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा.
मुझे पता है तुमने माइक ऑन कर दिया. संदीप हमेशा ऐसा करता है क्योंकि मैं बहुत मज़े लेके गाना गा रही होती हूँ, क्योंकि इतना मीठा सॉन्ग है, इतना आवाज़ इतनी मीठी थी, तो संदीप एकदम माइक ऑन कर देता है ताकि ऑन एयर.
I can hear, yeah. The world can hear you. You do have a good voice. You do have a good voice.
थैंक यू. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. बॉलीवुड गपशप के हमारे जो सेक्शन है उसमें आपने मुझे बताया कि मोहित सूरी इज अप टू समथिंग.
Yeah, and I finally, you guys recommended this movie, but when I actually finally got the time to watch it, I didn't watch it for a while. But I did watch it and I really did like it.
Malang?
Malang, yes. And
movie.
I don't know, it's getting like, half of the people I talk to, some say it's really stupid, but then I actually think it's one of the best movies this year.
Yes.
In my opinion.
It's on the slower side, but yeah. It's a good surprise.
Yeah, and those don't want to give too much away that haven't watched it yet, but I don't know if you guys saw a little bit after, midway through ending credits, there was a scene, an extra scene.
हाँ हमने देखा
Yeah.
कि yes, you're right.
What was the
And,
scene?
I don't remember clearly, but
he gets
मुझे याद
you know in
है
the
वो.
towards the beginning of the movie, Anil Kapoor gets a call from Aditya Roy and he's like, murder report karna hai, right?
वैसे ही एक second call आता है उसको.
Second call in the ending credits, but this time it's from a female.
Female.
Is it still Disha? Some are speculating that it could be Shraddha. That called
Oh.
him. So that's why Mohit Suri right now has already done his first draft of the Malang 2.
Malang 2.
Sequel.
तो जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है कि मोहित सूरी कौन है, हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, सुशील आप बताएंगे मोहित सूरी कौन है?
मोहित सूरी एक आदमी है.
Oh really?
I should have known that this is the answer we would get.
मोहित सूरी एक आदमी है. हिंदुस्तान में रहता है. He is a movie director. He actually started his career under Bhatt Camp. I'm assuming.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Under the Bhatt Camp.
So he directed a lot of movies. A couple of his really good movies that he has worked with. Lagi Tumse Lagan, what was the movie? Paap. Paap was directed by Mohit Suri.
And then
Murder 2 was directed by Mohit Suri.
जी हाँ.
What else? Ek Villain was directed by Mohit Suri as well.
Yes.
And now Malang,
Malang, yes.
जिसमें आदित्य रॉय कपूर है, दिशा
And
पाटनी है.
Ashiki 2 was directed by Mohit Suri as
Oh,
well.
yes.
Ashiki 2. Okay.
So he kind of works with Aditya Roy Kapoor.
like it,
Bhatt
yeah.
Camp. So these are all produced by
Bhatt
Bhatt Camp. So Bhatt Camp movies.
Wonderful. So yes, I look forward to Malang 2 because Malang 1 बहुत अच्छी थी. Amazon Prime में है.
And it's on Prime. Yes.
Yes, तो
No,
आप-
no, Netflix. sorry.
Netflix पे. तो अगर आप Netflix आपके पास अकाउंट है तो
Yeah.
जरूर देखिएगा.
And I thought his transformation, Aditya Roy was, I mean, he was lean in the beginning, but then after, midway through the movie, he gets really.
Because he goes through certain things
Yeah,
in his
in
life and a
yeah.
change of life. Yes,
Yeah,
so he
exactly.
becomes like Hulk एकदम.
That's right. So I'm excited to see what the second part will be like.
Wonderful. And उसके साथ साथ before we get into our ad break, did you see Patal Lok, Sandeep?
I still haven't yet. Dad started it and he said it's slow, but it's good.
Yes.
He said it's kind of
Sushil और मैंने देखा Patal Lok and Sushil and I also felt the same thing. It is slow.
Very slow.
But why I liked it is because I think it's a true story and it really
that's what I heard.
happens in India.
It's actually a true story, right?
जी.
Oh, okay.
And Sushil ने बेताल भी देखा. And we are talking about all these series on Amazon Prime. बेताल is again, we spoke about it a couple of weeks back, जो शाहरुख खान की
That's
production
Netflix.
company ने produce
So
किया.
Patal Lok is Prime.
Yes.
Betal is Netflix.
Netflix.
Yeah.
So Sushil saw Betal because I don't watch horror movies or horror series. Sushil, how was your experience of Betal?
Betal is only 4 episodes produced by Red Chillies Entertainment.
Which is owned by Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, owned by Shah Rukh Khan.
had to make that
Story is very interesting. I think, I don't get scared that easily, so I was not scared at all. डर नहीं लगा चीज़ पे, but a pretty interesting story. It wasn't. I think I lost it somewhere down the line in
Okay.
Betal. मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया.
और आपने बोला they probably are going to come out with Betal 2
Yeah,
or
so they left it open where they show that the whole world is getting attacked.
Oh,
वो
okay.
वहीं छोड़ दिया उन लोगों ने. So
But-
I don't want to say exactly what it is.
I think all these series have started doing that, right?
Yeah.
जैसे उसमें भी Sacred Games में भी 2 के बाद भी it's like bomb फूटा नहीं फूटा, like you're still wondering.
Mm-hmm.
But I just don't want the Babaji to come
so
back.
So compared to, he also produced Bar of Blood too, right? Red Chilli?
Yeah, Bar of Blood.
Yeah.
Bar of Blood was better if you're going to
Okay.
ask me. Yeah, this is on the horror genre. Basically, what they're showing is एक mountain है.
mountain है.
एक mountain है basically, एक tunnel है
Okay.
mountain में.
Yeah.
The villagers are trying to protect it. जो Indian government है वो tunnel के through एक they want to break that tunnel.
Okay.
खोलना चाहती है tunnel because कोई रास्ता बनाना चाहती है to village. So villagers वो बना नहीं देते हैं तो they call the
And
CPRF
basically
team.
the tunnel is possessed.
Yeah, so they call the CPRF team and the tunnel is possessed by British Army actually.
Oh wow!
Man.
तो Britishers ने अभी तक इंडिया छोड़ा नहीं है.
भूत.
Yeah,
तो एक what happened was एक British leader था वगैरह, he gets killed in that tunnel itself. So before he dies, he gets the villagers block him in the tunnel. 18 something.
And then we let the people watch it.
नहीं तो बेताल क्या मैं वो बताता हूँ ना.
Okay.
तो बेताल is a demonic god. So he read about that somewhere. So वो एक sacrifice करता है, so then he can invoke the spirit of Betal inside himself, so he can control an army. Basically, that's what Betal is.
Okay.
तो पूरे scenes और side effects और not side effects मतलब effects है सबके लिए आप जरूर देखिए बेताल on Netflix.
Definitely. Let's get into our next commercial break. Back with, after this, one of our favorite segments of the show, Bollywood Birthdays. Keep it locked here on Namaste Radio.
Namaste Radio, powered by E2 Power.
Keep it locked. Tired of those law firms you can never reach? Try Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm.
Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm in Houston is dedicated to providing quality immigration advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. They will also help with deportations, citizenship and naturalization filings, also personal injuries and car accident. They are committed to their clients with prompt turnaround time. Over 30 years of immigration experience. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm. 832-646-8448.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy invites you to celebrate their 2-year anniversary with double the deals. Come and get a facial done and bring a friend along to get hers done for free.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram. गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। जय श्री गणेश।
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
వింటూ ఉండండి మీ ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఛానల్ నమస్తే రేడియో.
Kattu Kuntile.
Okay, Mama. Okay, so cute that song is actually, you know.
Yeah.
And जी हाँ, वो हमारा पहला तेलुगु जिंगल था. And we want to thank Charu for doing that for us. Beautiful voice, Charu. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Charita.
तो आगे बढ़ते हैं, लेकिन आई वांट टू टेल यू ऑल बिकॉज हम सबको इतनी भूख लगी रही है, तो मैंने बोला थोड़ा और इस भूख को बढ़ाया जाए. मैंगो सीजन आ चुका है एंड इट्स द मैंगो फेस्टिवल इन महाराजा भोग.
क्या बात.
महाराजा भोग में ऑलरेडी इतना टेस्टी खाना मिलता है, ऊपर से अब आपको अनलिमिटेड आम रस मिलेगा. ओह माय गॉड, पूरी एंड आम रस यू कैन गो ऑन एंड ऑन, खाते जा सकते हो. बट दे आर ओपन, तो आप जाइए और इस take advantage of this mango festival time. They are located on the intersection of 59 and Gessner. जी हाँ. एंड जाइए, या जाने से पहले कॉल कीजिए अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं. उनका नंबर है 713-771-2464. डिफरेंट मेन्यू होता है एवरी डे, लेकिन हर रोज आम के कुछ ना कुछ आपको मिलेगा. एंड लाइक आई सेड, आमरस और पूरी तो मेरा फेवरेट है. So go and enjoy. And Sandeep, this Facebook Live pictures are definitely not helping. So if you're watching us on Facebook Live, we are you can see पूरे आमरस की फोटो, पूरी थाली है महाराजा भोग की जिसमें इतनी सारी चीजें हैं, प्लस आमरस भी है. That dhokla looks good.
It does, doesn't it?
And that armrest looks amazing.
Yeah, definitely.
जी हाँ, Maharaja Bhog.
That's right. So now we move on. Now we get into the segment, one of our favorite ones, of Bollywood Janamdins, right? Bollywood birthday.
जन्मदिन. अरे उससे याद है तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू, क्या तुमने हिंदी में क्वेश्चन पूछा है? I'm so proud of you.
किसको?
मनीजे से जब ये E2 पावर मनीजे से जब बात कर रहे थे, तो वो बीच में कभी शी वाज गोइंग इन एंड आउट हिंदी, इंग्लिश, उर्दू, तो संदीप ने बड़ा मतलब भारी भरकम हिंदी में क्वेश्चन पूछा कि आजकल ये पैंडेमिक चल रहा है ना, तो घर में लोग ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज कर रहे हैं.
That's probably exactly how I said it.
मेरी गाड़ी 80 पे चल रही थी, मैंने इतनी जोर से ब्रेक मारा, मैंने बोला अरे.
Why were you driving at 80?
No, that was just an over exaggeration.
Okay. Wow, okay.
But नहीं, बहुत that was nice, good. When it's good to know that you are speaking so much Hindi.
I am definitely trying. Thank you. Yeah, so we are in Bollywood birthdays, and how about, should we do the guessing? Make Sushil guess. Right?
Absolutely.
That's right.
Okay.
So two actresses that share a birthday on. Actually, we have
today.
No, first we have
June 7th.
Yeah, that's right. So June 7th today.
उसके बारे में हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बात भी की थी उनके बारे में.
Sushil, do you remember?
बहुत लोग ने बात की थी, कुछ ये क्लू है?
हाँ, बॉलीवुड एक लेडी है, फेमस,
बहुत फेमस लेडी,
कंट्रोवर्शियल
बहुत है. राखी सावंत.
आज हमने उनके बारे में बात करी.
ये इससे बेटर क्लू मिलना चाहिए.
कि she owns a big production company. I mean, come on, he's just अभी ऐसी.
Yeah, I know.
You really don't know? He has the script right in front of him.
मैं देखता नहीं हूँ. एकता कपूर.
तो मतलब एकदम सीधे साधे बच्चे हो.
एकता कपूर.
That's right. We are talking about एकता कपूर. इनके बारे में अभी हमने बात की थी.
Yep. And she shares.
Script देखेंगे तो मजा नहीं आएगा ना. What's the point?
Okay, no, don't look at the script.
Okay, don't look. Yeah.
उल्टी कर दी.
She shares it. I'll give you a hint. She came in a movie with Shah Rukh.
Okay. Wow, what a hint.
She came in a movie with Shahid Kapoor.
Shahid Kapoor, yes.
And she also came in a movie with
Kareena Kapoor.
No.
Kareena Kapoor came with Shahid and Shah Rukh.
Very like, I guess you could say what? Very like.
She's very petite.
Petite. Yeah, exactly.
घटिया clues हैं, seriously.
Okay, so she came in a movie with Shahid, where Shahid plays the famous character Prem.
Yeah. And Shah Rukh.
Is this the engagement movie?
And Shah Rukh is
like where he goes through a journey of engagement and things like that. वो सूरज बजाएगी.
हाँ.
Oh, Amrita Rao.
Yes.
Right. That's the one.
मेरी favorite movie है वो, एक विवाह.
Oh.
Couldn't you just say that she debuted with Shahid Kapoor in this movie? That would have been easier. Ishq Vishk.
Oh, I didn't even remember Ishq Vishk.
That either. Yeah, I didn't remember that.
वो मुझे याद नहीं था, बट हमें जो याद रहा हमने उस हिसाब से पूछा. बट कोई बात नहीं, आप जीत गए.
कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ, आप
आगे बढ़ो.
Okay, we will play a song and then we'll come back.
अच्छा, song किस करना है?
Huh?
नहीं, song बस बजा रहे हैं.
Actually, you think he'll get? I don't know the clue about this one. So.
I don't even know which song this is.
Yeah. You don't know them? Oh, okay. We'll let him. Actually, let's see. Maybe he'll know.
ये क्या है? Is this my next clue?
हाँ, ये कौन सा गाना है?
वो गाना कौन सा है? यारा सिली सिली?
Yep.
क्या बात है?
Yep.
so many. It's such an old song, yaar. I think it was back in 90s. I was very small. अभी भी छोटा ही हूँ, लेकिन और छोटा था. Remember the song? I remember the actresses, but I don't remember the story that much anymore itself. But कभी ना कभी देखेंगे. But thank you so much. That was a really really good song as well. आगे बढ़ते हुए शो में जब तक ये लोग क्विज़ेस खेलेंगे तब तक मैं आपको फटाफट बताते चलूँ कि द पॉजिटिव मैन ऑफ ह्यूस्टन जिसे हम कहते हैं, आप कभी भी अगर आपके जीवन में उतार चढ़ाव हो या निराशा हो तो ये बहुत आशावादी इंसान है. आप इनको यहीं जाके मिल सकते हैं. इनका नाम है प्रदीप पांड्या जी, जो गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल के करता रहता है. वेरी पॉजिटिव गाय, बहुत आशावादी इंसान है. इनको मिलते ही, इनकी वो प्यारी सी मुस्कुराहट देखते ही जीवन के आधे कष्ट तो वैसे ही दूर हो जाते हैं. बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज इन द माइंड, दैट्स व्हाट ही सेज. ऊपर से आप दर्शन भी कर सकते हैं. जी हाँ, द मंदिर इज ऑलरेडी ओपन फॉर ऑल दिस डिवोटीज. आप दर्शन वहाँ जाके कर सकते हैं. प्रसाद विल नॉट बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बाय द प्रीस्ट दिस टाइम. सम रूल्स टू फॉलो फॉर एवरीबॉडीज सेफ्टी ड्यू टू COVID-19. Prasad from devotees will not be accepted by the priest and allowed for distribution inside the temple premises. Also, please refrain from touching the priest. उनके पैर में मत छुइएगा और any devotees हाथ मत मिलाइएगा inside the premises. Abhishekam will not be allowed inside the temple. और 25 devotees से ज़्यादा temple के अंदर की limit नहीं रखी है इस बार. So please उसका थोड़ा पालन कीजिएगा. And all devotees and volunteers are requested to wear mask inside the temple for yours and others people's safety. Temple will not hold any events at this time until further notice. And also please maintain 6 फुट की दूरी एक दूसरे से, अपने आप से भी, एक दूसरे से भी और पंडित जी से भी. तो ये सब फॉलो करते करते खुल गए हैं गौरी सिद्धि विनायक मंदिर, जो हिलक्रॉफ्ट पे है, 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू. अगर और आपको और डिटेल चाहिए हैं तो पंडित जी को कॉल कीजिए. पंडित जी पूजा करते हैं, घर पे आके भी करते हैं, हमारे भी की है और दूसरे लोग, बहुत लोगों की भी की है. तो घर की शांति, गृह शांति, कोई भी पूजा करानी है, पंडित जी को कॉल कीजिए. पूजा भी कर रहे हैं, सब किस्म की पूजा करते हैं हमारे पंडित जी. 8324669868.
जी हाँ, वो वर्चुअल पूजा भी कर रहे हैं और यही हो चीजें बदल चुकी हैं कोविड के बाद.
वाह.
That's right. Now we move on back to Bollywood
birthdays. तो अभी तुमने गाना तो बजा दिया उनका.
We just played that song, so Sushil, the next one, sharing.
So was Dimple Kapadia's birthday?
Yes.
It will be tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Kal.
हाँ.
Kal. Very
good. Is another day? Is another word for kal?
Pratakal.
Pratakal? Maybe. I don't know.
I don't know. Mummy, Pratakal is okay.
मम्मी अगर सुन रही है तो.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, kal. Tomorrow, June 8th, it's Dimple, and she shares it with this actress, beautiful actress that very fit, Sushil, and she also known as, shaking those hips. Those hips don't lie.
Oh, so she's is it your Garmi?
No, it's not mine. I wish it was, but no.
So
this one's good too.
Malika Arora?
No.
Then you gotta give better clues, man.
She was a judge on one of the kids dance competition. What a show.
Shilpa Shetty.
Yes.
जी हाँ.
तो बोल नहीं सकते, योगा का वीडियो इंट्रोड्यूस किया था.
Oh, okay. She did.
अरे यार, हम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, हमें अपने हिसाब से पूछना है. अभी हम तुम्हारे हिसाब से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो फिर you will know ना.
Okay. Easily.
Yeah.
So she shares it on June 8th with Dimple.
That's right. So कल है Dimple Kapadia and Shilpa Shetty का birthday.
So we still, now and then, we still see Dimple come in films, but it's been a while I haven't seen Shilpa, right? I guess she's busy doing her.
She looks
YouTube
amazing
videos.
in this जो फोटो आपने लगाई है Facebook Live पे.
Yeah.
बहुत ही wonderful.
And she has a cooking show too, no?
Yeah, I think the healthy cooking show.
Yeah,
something. I haven't seen it, but I've seen here and there some
snippets. Maybe she's busy with that. That's why I know. But Dimple, we see every now and then. Of course, she was in the Bung series, but
yes,
here and there she'll do. I think she was also in Angrezi Medium with Irfan and.
I have no idea.
Yeah, she was.
She was.
And Karina.
Okay.
So that's right. They shared on June the 8th.
June the 8th.
We'll be back with more birthdays right here, but the song you suggested I play for Shilpa.
Yeah, yeah, people knew her after this song,
UP Bihar.
Yes.
पतली कमर मटका के नागिन से बल खा के नैन से नैन लड़ा के धानी चुनर
दिल वालों के दिल का करार लूटने मैं आई हूँ यूपी बिहार लूटने दिल वालों के दिल का करार लूटने मैं आई हूँ यूपी बिहार लूटने दिल वालों के दिल का करार लूटने तू आई है यूपी बिहार लूटने ना पैसों का खजाना ना सोने की तिजोरी ना बर्छी घोड़ा सा कटार लूटने दिल वालों के दिल का करार लूटने मैं आई हूँ यूपी बिहार लूटने दिल वालों के दिल का करार लूटने तू आई है यूपी बिहार लूटने
I think she looks much prettier now compared to when this song was shot.
So it's like some of those actors that look better now than they did.
Oh yeah,
before.
absolutely.
Guys
I mean,
like Ajay and Akshay Kumar. And
oh yeah,
all that.
definitely. I mean, what was Ajay Devgan's first movie?
फूल और कांटे.
हाँ, फूल और कांटे में जो अजय देवगन लगता था और आज जो अजय देवगन लगता है, बाजीगर में जो काजोल लगती थी और आज जो काजोल लगती है, there's a huge difference.
I mean, even Shilpa Shetty, you see her in Bazigar, she's more on the darker side of her color, straight skin.
I think so.
I mean, that's with everybody, right? I mean, अजय देवगन भी गोरा हो गया है.
हाँ, तो वही अच्छा. What basically I'm trying to say is science has evolved and technology है वो काफी आगे पहुंच चुकी है.
It's called skin lightening
Skin lightening treatment. There you go.
Yes. स्किन लाइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट. लेकिन हाँ, आगे बढ़ते हैं. अभी तक हमने बात की है एकता कपूर और अमृता राव, जिनका बर्थडे आज है, तो हैप्पी बर्थडे. कल है डिम्पल कबाड़ी और शिल्पा शेट्टी का बर्थडे जून 8 को, तो हैप्पी बर्थडे. लेकिन जून 10 को विच इज वेडनेसडे. ओके, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग एक्ट्रेस. When she first came into the movies, I thought it was only because of her dad.
Yeah.
Sushil, these are all your guesses for you.
Okay, दोबारा बोलना please.
When she first came into the Indian cinema or movies, I thought it was only because, you know, she has the last name of her dad.
But
no, Alia Bhatt is an amazing
the actor
actress.
she debuted with too, we also thought he came in because of he has the last name of his dad too.
Yeah.
Dhawan.
I still don't like him. I mean, even though you all feel he's number one
amazing.
actor of
Yeah, he is.
Bollywood right now.
Okay, so this actress came into the movie because she has a name of last name of her father.
Yeah.
So.
And she shares her last name, even though they're not related, but their last name is same with the Kareena Kapoor.
So her last name is Kapoor.
She even won an award for a movie.
She has a great fashion sense.
Do you
Sonam
think
Kapoor?
so?
Yeah.
Sonam Kapoor?
नहीं संदीप, don't say that.
मैं तो आंसर बोल भी दिया.
Yes, you're right. We are talking about Sonam.
She doesn't know how to act, but I've heard she has a great sense
I would say
of
acting,
fashion.
no. Yeah, fashion, yes. So on June the 10th, sorry.
June the
Wednesday.
10th, हाँ. And she shares another set of debuts there. She shares her birthday.
Debut with? What?
Like, don't say the name.
Okay, then it's a giveaway. Okay. You come up with it.
She came. I mean, she debuted with another superstar, who's also superstar now. वो भी एक मतलब famous Bollywood father का बेटा है. And ये famous Bollywood father या mother की बेटी नहीं है, but you know.
So she debuted with another debut.
I mean,
she
debuted with an actor who उसका भी डेब्यू था, दोनों हीरो हीरोइन का डेब्यू था. बट वो एक्टर जो है वो अब बहुत बड़ा सुपरस्टार बन गया है.
ऋतिक रोशन है.
हाँ.
तो उसके साथ जिसने डेब्यू किया था.
हाँ.
अरे यार, what's her name? Amisha Patel.
Amisha Patel.
Yes, we are talking about Amisha Patel. I mean, I thought she was a beautiful girl though.
Back in the days.
Yeah, I mean. So yes, June 10th को है अमीशा पटेल और सोनम कपूर का बर्थडे.
That's right. Actually, they June
9th. Sorry, yeah.
So that's on Tuesday.
Tuesday. Sorry, I mixed that up.
And June 10th, which is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
I'm getting confused days of the week. What day are we in today?
Sunday.
Okay.
Namaste Radio 1 to 5 every Sunday.
That I know. Yeah. He's a singer, Sushil. And
Sonu Nigam.
Oh no.
No.
Good try.
Seriously,
Good try.
Sonu Nigam is the
But
only singer.
Just like Sonu, this guy. Well, even till today, you still hear a lot of the most famous songs are this guy.
Oh,
And
are you talking about
I'll give you. He's,
Bengali Babu?
No.
I'll give you somewhat
Kumar
of a hint.
Sanu?
You're not. He's not really known for the romantic songs. It's more like those upbeat.
और
hard
इसका
songs.
बड़ा भाई भी बहुत फेमस सिंगर रह चुका
Yeah.
है या है.
He used to be he started with his brother as a guitar player. He was a guitar player for his brother. Now he's one of the most famous singers.
जो ह्यूस्टन भी बहुत बार आ चुके हैं अपने कॉन्सर्ट्स.
Are you talking about these are Aga Khani brothers?
No. We are not
Usmani
talking about Salim
Salim Salman.
No.
गिटारिस्ट कौन
I'll
है?
give you a hint. He's Punjabi.
He's a state
मिका की बात हो
सरदार
रही है क्या?
पंजाबी.
Yes,
मिका सिंह.
हाँ.
तो खाली बोलते थे उसके लंबे बाल है.
बस आप ही के हिसाब से बोलते ना सारे हिंट्स तो फिर क्या फायदा.
सावन में लग गई आग.
बढ़िया ऐसा. मीका सिंह का बर्थडे है जून 10th को. उसके बाद
Let's see this. Hold on. How we have to show it on the.
उसके बाद आता है बर्थडे जून 13th को, जो जिससे संदीप का दिल की धड़कनें बहुत बढ़ जाती
वो
हैं.
हाई गर्मी.
The other day, when we were talking on the phone, I
What's her
said,
name?
"Guess what? We have some great news."
Yeah, like he called me. He's like, "Oh my gosh, we have some great news." I was like, "क्या 10-15 हज़ार का sponsorship कुछ मिल गया क्या
Yeah,
नमस्ते को?" So he's like, "No, it's her birthday." I'm like, "Are you kidding me, Sandeep?"
I don't know who did. He called you. किसकी बात कर रहा है मुझे क्या पता.
I'll give you a hint. She
What are
she acted in this movie we were talking about a little while ago. Which movie were we talking a little while ago?
So many movies यार.
That is a part 2 is about to come out. So
Disha Patni.
Yes. Yeah.
That's right. So जून 13th को है दिशा पाटनी का बर्थडे.
That's right. Look at that look at that cute smile.
Good for you. लेकिन आगे बढ़ते गाना सुनते हैं. उससे पहले let's just tell everybody about India House Houston.
Bye Disha.
Bye. Yes, India House Houston, they do have their free online classes and teleconsultations. So you can join in on their Facebook page through a Zoom meeting for Zumba classes, yoga classes, Bolly X fitness class, line dance, also known as ballroom dance, and meditation classes, senior technology classes. So don't wait, just visit indiahouseinc.org and you can get the Zoom meeting ID, get inside those classes and take advantage of these free classes. And also, like I was talking about teleconsultations, कुछ problem है, डॉक्टर से आपको बात करनी है तो कॉल करिए 713-929-1900 and get an appointment and you will be able to virtually talk to the doctor and get your prescriptions. So just visit indiahouseinc.org.
मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली ए मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली ए मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली जरा पंख झटक गई धूल अटक और लचक मचक के दूर भटक उड़ डगर कसबे कूचे नुक्कड़ बस्ती में ये इतड़ी से मुड़ अदा से उड़ कर ले पूरी दिल की तमन्ना हवा से जुड़ अदा से उड़ फुर तू हीरो रे मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली को जो उड़ना ना जाने उड़ियो ना डरियो कर मनमानी 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 बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो कर नादानी उड़ियो ना डरियो कर मनमानी 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 बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो कर नादानी तन ले मुस्कान ले कैसा ना 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 हवा बस ठान ले तू जान ले कैसा ना 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 हवा मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसमसक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक 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 तुझे क्या गम तेरा रिश्ता गगन की बांसुरी से है पवन की गुफ्तगू से है सूरज की रोशनी से है उड़ियो ना डरियो कर मनमानी 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 बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो कर नादानी उड़ियो ना डरियो कर मनमानी 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 बढ़ियो ना मुड़ियो कर नादानी ले मुस्कान ले कैसा ना 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 हवा बस ठान ले तू जान ले कैसा ना 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 हवा मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक 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 कली मसक्कली मस मस मसक्कली मटक मटक मटक।
आप सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो मॉडर्न इंडियन रेडियो
AM 1050 KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.
Let's go! Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits.